my YouTube channel, and today we want to go and do laundry from the river. I told you we stay in the village and everything is done. We shower in the river, we fetch water from the river. Sometimes we even carry plates to go and wash from the river. So we are going to wash clothes also from the river. And here are my clothes, the basin, the soap. So we are headed to the river. You go and see how we do the laundry there very fast and come back. Let's go together. So guys, let's go to the river and see. Hey, here we always carry things on our heads. Very, very tough situation, but we survive because we have been born. Bring some sugar cane. All right. We are headed to the river. We are just almost there. Very, very near, just around here. We go to the river. So guys, here we are at the river. People are washing clothes there. We head to the river. Hey, it's a little bit dry. Where I always get stuck is here. But today, it's kind of dry. It's not that muddy. So here we are. We are going to wash clothes from here. We have to get a good spot. Washing. I think we are going to wash from here. It's better from here. Yeah, like that. That way. So here we are. Without wasting time, we go straight and wash. So guys, you're going to take the water, bring it here. Have to take the water and bring it there. Yeah, we take the water from here. Just 1 minute and we are done. You see how fast it is? So we are going back to our place. The good thing here in the village, you can do work as a community very fast. You help one another so that we finish faster. You go. So this is how we do it. So we are going to soak the clothes. We don't just put salt.
Mbona mcheza huko nani?
Mtoke hapa, mtoke kelele hapa haraka.
Chezeni huko pale. Moza.
Tego bakwe.
Dara hawana bana ndakenda bati mukunyafuna njo hakuluma heno da.
Ndumali kwa yena makubere.
Ngandi.
Mumwalumu. Atambo ora atandake no.
Kazi ndano akamba bona ha. Na sabuni kwire idonge rakuongira sente panda chakafu. Brana ndo hoko ni kudwangu dwa. Ngabukira sabidia.
Unda kuvaji pia kenda.
Na fese nyanja. Na utu kwa sana pia. Kulana nini? Umepose? Video tarin. Now guys, you see? This one is called community. So we do it community work. I wash from this basin, she was from there. Very fast so that we finish fast, we go back home and do something else. We don't stay in the river doing one thing for the whole day. As fast as it is. You see, African machines. African washing machines.
You wash this so fast and make them clean so fast.
Sasa kaka kubebana.
And these kids, they make clothes very dirty. Look at this one. I'm telling you, if you are not a washing machine here, you can't survive. You have to know how to wash clothes because the kids do make clothes very dirty. Extremely dirty because of the soil. They play around in water. And they are going to fetch water. So the clothes are always very dirty. And we share soap. Here it's always about sharing. It's not like it's your soap. Oh, let me remove this lace so it's even. So I can wash like that. Yeah. So guys, we are still washing our clothes. I told you it's not an easy task. Come, bring the camera here, they see how it forms the foam. And the water is very dirty because the clothes they were very dirty. So we have to make them clean. You see how the African machines, washing machines, how they are washing. Clothes are very clean now. Yeah. Show them around the river, they can see. Look the way the water is very clear. Show them the water. Very clean now, very clean. If you want to shower, you can shower from there. You want to fetch water for showering, you can. This is just our one and only river. The only river around here. The one with also our clothes. We go that direction like that. I told you these clothes are very dirty. Look at this one. Very, very dirty. But as a parent, you don't have to complain. That's the good thing about being a parent. Washing these clothes. So, we don't complain, we just wash. Make sure they are clean again. Now guys, we are done with the first round. This is the second round. The second bunch, we are finished with the first bunch there. At least the white cloth. No, these ones are the most dirty ones. These ones. So, we finish this one. The last one will be this one. Look at it. Very dirty. You even don't know where to start from and finish. But at the end of the day, you have to make it clean. So, that one will be the last one. So, rinsing our clothes, you can see the water now. Very clean, different from the first one. So you have to wash like 6 times before you put them to dry. Look at the water, very clean. Yeah, so we are going to put them to drip. You know, sometimes we put them to drip here because carrying them, when they have water, they are very heavy. So we put them there. Those are our clothing airlines. So we put them there to dry or drip water before we carry them to go and finish drying from home. So I'm going to put them here for some time as I wash the remaining ones and finish. You see that the water is clean. That means the clothes, they are very clean now. Guys, we are done with our laundry today. We want to go home. And we put this down with the soap so that it doesn't get dry.
put them into leaves, cover it like this, then put it there.
So these clothes, because they've already dripped water, we are going to carry them back so that they dry at home.
I just wanted to drip
Them to drip water, and then we carry them home. Again, put them at home to dry from there. Yeah. You see how easy it is. We just came some few minutes ago and we are done. Very easy. Plenty of water. Show them the water there. Plenty of water. There is sunshine, a lot of it. So the clothes don't take long to dry. So I'm going to carry my clothes back home and make them dry at home. I don't know how this one is called, but I want to make something to put on my head so that I put. This is how it's made, like this. We put it here like this, and then we put on the clothes. Heavier. Like that. So guys, that's it for today. We are going back home. Thank you for watching. Thank you always for liking, sharing, commenting, and telling me what to do next and all that. We're bringing you videos after videos. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.